Okay, hello everyone who joined, who didn't, or who watching it in record. Let me do an announcement really quick. Hello Rabbit. So guys, like if you have any questions, feel free to feel free to ask. As always, if you're watching it in record, yeah, feel free to message me and tag me in the chat. So far, like majority of the people been watching it as a VOD. Let me check what is. So like on average, like third of our premium subscribers been watching it. Yeah, it's kind of like a lot of people been watching it at like like after the stream. So far premium and discount is very popular, and structure, yeah, is popular too. Anyway, so hello Plex again. Today we're going to talk about like psychology. So you have to understand like that this is like trading bit difficult topic. So it's like one expression that that is really nice that I heard. Trading is the hardest way for easiest money. So let's like write it down. So trading is the hardest way to easiest money. To the easiest money. So this is something that you can figure out by yourself. Like, you probably heard that trading is easy. You just like opening trade, buying, selling, and on this difference you make money. It sounds extremely simple, but when you're facing like reality, when you're opening position like with real money, you start feeling fear, greed, like these like two feelings that always come in next to trading. And I'll give you like some tips today that will help you to fight, that I'm using for myself. Like these two things that will help you to fight against it. So like first of all, you have to understand that trading by itself, if you don't have like system, you don't have rules, you don't have risk management, you don't have like trading plan, isn't same as like gambling. So it's basically gambling. So like trading, it's a complex like system. I've been talking about it yesterday on a risk management lesson, so you can check it out. What in class recording section. Also, you have to like understand the training. It's like art. Obviously, like your final target for the trading and the main idea of trading is making money, right? Like get like financial freedom, like stability. But if you will make it as a tool that will improve you as a person, it's like something that that will help you a lot. So when we're talking about psychology of like successful trader, so it's a 20%. It's it's like trading by itself, right? So it's like mechanic of the market. Let me write it down. So like 20%. It's like market mechanic. So how platform works, etc. So it's important stuff. Then around like 30% it's price action. So you're learning. So you're learning like what you're gonna do. You're learning charts, like some patterns, and so on and so on. Like another 30%, it's gonna be risk management, and last one, psychology. And I marked it like from first to the last, because like market mechanic, it's the first what you learn, because when you open exchange or your broker, you can see that like it's like first things that you learn, like how to like press buy, sell, how to calculate position size, all this kind of stuff. Then you're looking at the chart and you understand, like maybe I can find a strategy and so on and so on. Then you, after you like losing a lot, majority of the people, they start looking at the risk management. Well, what should I do to like decrease my risks, and etc. But when you learn all of this, you're facing the biggest challenge, which is a final stage, like boss of this huge and huge and like long way to make money. It's like psychology, because you have like two like, biggest problem. It's a fear when you see your like position go like into red, not the green, and you like fear to like miss, or you lose like money. You don't want to lose money and you close in position. Like everything was fine. It's going like your strategy working, like your zones, everything it's fine. You open position, but for some reason price like goes like down, like rebalancing. You don't know it, like what is going on, but you see that that your balance is going red. So it's potential loss, and to minimize loss, you want to like close the trade. After it, you close the trade, price like pumping, you try to jump in, it's already too late, your risk reward is not that great, then it's adding a greed, you don't wanna close too early, you're thinking maybe it will keep going higher, and ended up like with stop loss. So by doing this, you lost your like entire risk, plus you lost like something from first position. And by doing this like over and over again, you you probably think hello, Himi. You probably think that like what the fuck I'm doing. You're trying to like follow the rules that you have, like you're telling yourself that you don't wanna do this again, and 1 or 2 days later you're doing this again. This is the hardest like part in a trading. I will give you some tricks. Let me where is it? Yeah. So This is like more like trading plan. This is trading plan. This is like another lesson. We're talking about like rules. It's algorithm. I've been posting some rules. Let me find it. It's like very important topic to discuss. Trading advices. Yeah, so rules for trading. Rules for trading. I've been posting it earlier when I've been doing like streams. But overall, this is the rules. This is the rules for trading. Yeah. So rules for trading. So economic calendar. Don't trade during like a bottom news. So red news, you can trade it. Like there are like strategies based on outcomes of the news. You can do this, but it's not. You're not obligated to do so. So you wanna like when you're trading, you wanted to avoid. It's like more like to risk management. You want to avoid like to open risky position. So you can check risk management lesson. I've been talking about it. Trade only during London and New York session. AM. So this is like my rule. Like if you like from another time zone, for example, you're from India, you're from Japan, China, like Australia, New Zealand, Malaysia, like all this like Asian region, you can trade Asian session as well. But so trade only during specific sessions. Let's say this. This is like what you have to do. Like what, and also like why in psychology I'm telling you like about like this schools, because discipline it's the biggest part like for trading. You should never increase your risk. You should follow your rules. You shouldn't over trade. Like over trading, it's a huge problem. Like for like majority of the people, like I can control myself because I know like when to stop. Do you know where you're gonna stop? I don't think so. Then, because this like type of rules, if you follow these rules, it will help you. So like today, for example, on the live streams, I had like 3 trades. Then I closed my um, like MetaTrader with all my accounts, and I never like open it again. So I don't care what will happen. I simply don't care. This is like training session for me is over. I'm done with it. This is like my rules. This is how I control myself to not to go like over trade. I took a trade. It's a profit. Good. I closed like position. I closed like terminal. That's it. I don't need to trade today anymore. I'm driving. I don't trade. I'm not at home. I don't trade. Asian session. Rarely I can trade, but most of the time no. High frame structure is more important than low time frame structure. Law of power is a correction or impulse momentum. So you have to understand this is a correction. So like we're going with a trend. It's just a correction, like what we see on the gold, or this is a impulse. Just to take liquidity, what we saw on Nasdaq today. Price in premium and discount. This is a rule, so you can see. You can just like pause it, and I'm gonna briefly talk about it. So like time frame synchronize, right? Like limited amount of instrument, because you have like a lot of instruments. Your your focus is split and you're missing main point. You can do what I do. Mm, I look at gold all the time. I trade gold. It helps me like to focus, right? So I'm trading like mostly like one instrument, but during and also euro. So like I mark important zones and set alerts on the euro. Um, but during like specific hours, I'm talking about New York Exchange opening, London Exchange opening. I'm focusing on something else. Like during London, I focus on German 40 because it's a prime time, first like 30 minutes. And during New York Exchange, I'm focusing more on Nasdaq if it gives me a setup. If it doesn't give me setup, no, I don't focus on it. So, like another rule, like pay the trader, you have to understand you wanna get paid. If you're in profit, don't fuck around. Don't fuck around. You wanna make profit. Like like close position, even in the profit. Like on yeah, like I have a few accounts, right? Like 100k, but they on pause. I would say this because I barely trade on them. I want to mm, I want to keep them for like September, and I trade like mostly on like 20k account, 10k account. I have like 50k account and 5k account. Majority of the time right now I'm trading them. And um I just like because of the summer, because it's gonna be like timing. It's another lesson that I'm planning. Um, um, I want to minimize like my losses during like the summertime because summertime is a low liquidity time. And I'm like but let's say I made like 4% on 5k account. I made like 5% on like 20k account. I'm gonna stop trading on them and will trade only when I get paid. So I could keep trading, but I want to fix my profit. I want to withdraw this $1,200 with the profit split. It's gonna be like around like 1k, and then I will keep trading again. I want to pay myself. I want to fix my profit and gonna walk away. Wait for trading setups. No, don't force trades. Like I've been talking about it like long time. Follow your rules. Like set rules. So you can use like my rules. You can add like something that is good for you. It's not a problem. Adapt to new trading realities. Like with Trump today. Like Trump is fucking around, like he can tweet something and market goes up and down. Just adapt to it. Try to like focus on short term trades, because definitely Trump won't like say shit during New York Exchange opening, right? Something like this. Yeah. uh 14 adapt on it, yeah, like 15% 30% strategy, 20% risk management, 50% psychology. Because if you have great risk management and you have the best strategy, if you will keep closing trades and you don't have like strength to like keep your position open, then you're gonna be fucked. Okay. Let's see. A couple minutes, guys, and we'll continue. Okay, so yeah, I'm back. Sorry. Um, you have to have all like three previous like to be like profitable. You can have two. Always use like stop loss, right? So always use stop loss and most importantly, patient. That's it. So this is like rules like for trading. It's like kind of important. Your for trader, it should be like motivation should be not money. It should be consistency and perfect trades. The psychology of perfect trade. Trade shouldn't be random, so you cannot open trade without like analysis just because like you want to, because you saw it or someone's like telling you and so on. No, it should be your decision. It should be like your analysis, and you should like check like all time frames. Everything should be in order. Calculate risks. So not a single trade shouldn't be without without reason, and you should have fixed risk on every single trade. You're obligated to have stop loss. You must have stop loss. It's like it's forbidden to trade without stop loss. Otherwise, you're gonna lose your account. You're gonna lose your money. Open trading time. It means or you open trade after that something happened on the chart that let you like open it, and same with closing. So when we're talking about like signals, right? Let's see. So here you go. Like I saw the price like went up. Like this was one of my shorts. So this was a range, right? So price took high. I saw order block here. I entered position. It's like one of the reasons that's why I opened this trade. So it was a signals for me, and I opened the trade because of the signal. It's like simple. Also, obviously, close trade in time. What does it mean? like close trading time. It means like you have to close position or like cut your trade when the price reach like points that you selected. Don't like overseed in a trade trying to catch like big profit. Have fixed the risk reward, right? If something goes against your plan, don't wait for stop. You can cut your trade. It comes with experience, but overall, yeah. Like discipline. Like majority of the people think that the worst that can happen with with a trader, it's like wrong analysis. No. Yes, you can be like wrong, but the biggest like problem is greed, fear, revenge. Like when you're angry, like right, like revenge. Hot calls. Let me check. Temptation. And like sense of irrelevance or something like this. When you like don't care, yeah, like when you don't care at all. So, or disbelief like in like trading at all. You just like wanna just give up and just move on. So this feelings that you have to like fight against. And if you won't be able to find a way to fight them, you won't succeed. What you can do, like to fight this thing. So first of all, how to fight against like fear. Fear. Make yourself clear that if, let's say, like we have a trade, right? Like let's take like have a look at German 14. Like I've been trading it today. Here, no, maybe Nasdaq. Nasdaq trade, yeah. So look, you see like what is going on, and I have this pullback. I can open my position. I can open my short position only if price goes below like this area. So it goes like down below, and I will be able to open position. Also, if we're talking about like open range strategy, strategies I use, I have to wait like 5 minutes and next candle after like 5 minutes. Конечно. And you can see here, like next, I always like I have a rule, like if like 5 minute candle close like down below, I wait for next like 5 minute candle, and it shows me real direction. What happened here? We closed above, and next target, like obviously like it's like an uptrend, it's only long here. Simple. So I have a rule that if I open position, so if I open this position, I have my set of rules. If this gonna like if I gonna like lose money, I'm gonna lose money. When I open trade, I always think that I already lost. It helps a lot. It helps you to not to overtrade. And help you like help you not to close position too early. It's quite simple. About greed, how to like work with grid. Have a fixed risk reward, no matter what. If it's like 1-to-1, you're already happy. Like that's it. Like 1-to-2, same. 1-to-1.5, like 1-to-3. That's it. Have a reasonable risk reward, and by doing this, have a rule like 1-to-2. I'm gonna fix my profit no matter what. That's it. That's it. That's it. Anger, like or revenge trading. When you, it's like a little trick. When you got stop on instrument, don't trade this instrument for quite some time, or have limited amount of trades. So if I have like 2 stops in a row, I'm stop trading. That's it. My trading day is over. Check risk management lesson. I give like really nice risk management rules. So like 2 trades a session. Like if I risk in like 0.5%, let's say I risk in 0.5%. I lost like 1 time, I lost 2nd time. That's it. Let's say I risk in 0.5%. I lost like 1 time. Next, I still can open position. And what will happen? Yeah, I can win or like 1-to-1. I will be break even, or I will be in profit. But I have a rule, like if I had like 2 trades, that's it. I'm gonna stop trading at all, no matter what is going on. Like temptation, you like see like perfect like charts, etc. But you have a major news like coming. This is like temptation when you like wanna open trade. Or like you like already had like 2 great trades or 3 great trades. You want to open one more because thinking you're great. No, you should have like fixed amount of trades a day. By doing this, you eliminate that you will make like mistakes, because you can't be profitable for a very long time. You can be. You can get a lose streak and lose your account. And when you don't care, just don't trade. That's it. When you tired, don't trade. When you sick, don't trade. When you had a fight with your girlfriend, boyfriend, parents, don't trade. Everything that affect your judgment, don't, unless you have experience. I went like from like extremely hard like way to trade. Like when I'm sick, but still like when I'm sick, I try not to trade, because it ends usually not that well, right? Another like advice that I can give you, help you with psychology: don't have trading as only one source of income. You can make it main source of income. It's not a big deal, but it's gonna be like extremely hard. Like it's way easier when you have like something that also pays your bills, like some work. You can find a work that like has a nice schedule that won't affect your trading, but overall, like have something that will help you. Yeah, and trading based on don't also think about your capital as like fixed amount of money. So don't don't think it's like $5,000, like 10, like 100, and it's like $100, etc. Think about it as 100%. So it's you have it's this little trick that helps you as well. think about like it like 100%. So you lost like 1%, you lost like 2%, and so on. So you didn't lose like $50, you didn't lose like $200. No, you lost like 1%. That's it. It helps you like to like avoid like issues like when you scale your account or like grow your account, and you will face like fear again. Like keep like statistic, keep a record of all your trades. Always follow the plan, and follow the rules of psychology of perfect trades and rules for trading. Also, another like little tip, like jump between time frames. It's also like helping you like a lot. Like keep your mm, keep your brain like flexible. Also, don't focus on like one direction. Market can change right away. Be like flexible. If like it goes like up, what should happen so it will go down? Just follow the trend, and keep it simple. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. No, pretty much no questions. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye.